What evidence is important to preserve and collect in trucking accident cases? If it is safe to do so, it is important to photograph the position of the vehicles after a trucking accident before they are removed from the roadway. Even if your vehicle is so substantially damaged that it requires being towed, you will eventually have access to your vehicle to take photographs. However, damage to the offending vehicle must be photographed at the scene, since the vehicle will be brought to a location unknown to you. Any information you can obtain should be preserved by writing it down or, if possible, photographing it with your phone. Just in case the police will not or cannot make it to the scene, try to get photographs of the other vehicle, including the license plate, its position in the roadway, and other driver's licenses, insurance information, name, address, and phone number of the occupants of the other vehicle and any witnesses. If you or a loved one has suffered an injury from an accident, we can help. The experienced attorneys at the Robichaux Law Firm, LLC, work together to form a diverse team of lawyers with the professional expertise and knowledge necessary to handle your case. For more information or to book a consultation, give us a call or visit our website at www.robichauxlaw.com. We look forward to working with you.